Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make peppermint brownies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, cocoa powder, and salt. And whisk them together until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the melted butter and sugar and whisk them until they're well combined. If the mixture feels hot, let it cool down before proceeding with the recipe. Then add in the eggs and peppermint extract and whisk them in until they're combined. Then add in the dry ingredients and crushed peppermints or candy canes and mix them together until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Grease an 8 or 9-inch square baking pan. Pour the batter into the pan. Spread it out until it's even. And bake it in the oven for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, crush up some more peppermints or candy canes. Try not to make them too fine. When the brownies are done, remove them from the oven and immediately sprinkle on the crushed peppermints or candy canes and bake it in the oven for another 2 minutes. Then remove it from the oven and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. And you can serve them still warm or cooled to room temperature. And that's how to make peppermint brownies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.